Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. I have a girlfriend. My girlfriend is nice. She is very pretty. Her name is Emma. Emma is 20 years old. I love my girlfriend. She loves me too. We are very happy. My girlfriend has brown hair. She has blue eyes. Emma is a student. She studies at the university. I am a student too. We study together sometimes. My girlfriend is very smart. She likes to read books. I like reading too. We go to the library. The library is near our school. We study there every week. My girlfriend likes coffee. She drinks coffee every morning. I make coffee for her. We have breakfast together. She eats toast with jam. I eat eggs and bread. We talk in the morning. Talking with her is nice. She makes me smile. I make her laugh. Do you have a girlfriend? Is your girlfriend kind? What is her name? Where does she live? Does she work or study? My girlfriend lives near me. Her apartment is very small. It has one bedroom only. She lives with a cat. The cat is black and white. I visit my girlfriend often. We watch movies together. She likes romantic movies. I like action movies more. We choose movies together. Sometimes we watch her movie. Sometimes we watch my movie. We eat popcorn always. We sit on the sofa. Her sofa is very comfortable. My girlfriend cooks very well. She makes delicious pasta. I love her cooking. She learned cooking from her mother. Her mother is a great cook. I met her mother last month. Her mother is very friendly. She welcomed me warmly. We had dinner at her house. The dinner was absolutely wonderful. My girlfriend and I go walking. We walk in the park together. The park has many beautiful trees. We walk there every Sunday. She loves nature very much. I love nature too. We see birds in the trees. Sometimes we see small animals. We take photos of flowers. She has a good camera. My girlfriend works part-time now. She works in a coffee shop. The coffee shop is very popular. Many people go there daily. She serves coffee to customers. She is friendly to everyone. People like her very much. She gets good tips sometimes. She saves money for traveling. We want to travel together. Where do you meet your girlfriend? When do you see her usually? Does she speak English well? My girlfriend speaks two languages. She speaks English and Spanish. I speak only English now. She is teaching me Spanish. Learning Spanish is difficult for me, but I practice every day. She is a patient teacher. My girlfriend has many friends. Her friends are very nice people. I met her friends last week. We went to a restaurant together. The restaurant served Italian food. Everyone ordered different dishes. We shared our food with everyone. It was a fun evening. Her friends liked me. I was happy about that. My girlfriend loves music very much. She plays the guitar beautifully. She learned guitar 5 years ago. Sometimes she plays songs for me. I listen to her music happily. She has a beautiful singing voice. She sings when she is happy. I love listening to her sing. Music makes her feel good. We go to concerts together sometimes. My girlfriend and I exercise together. We go to the gym twice weekly. She likes running on the treadmill. I prefer lifting weights at the gym. Exercise keeps us healthy and strong. After the gym, we feel tired, but we also feel very good. We drink water after exercising. Then we go home and rest. Taking care of health is important. What does your girlfriend like to do? Does she have any hobbies? My girlfriend enjoys painting pictures. She paints in her free time. Her paintings are really beautiful. She uses many bright colors. She paints flowers and landscapes mostly. I bought her new paints yesterday. She was very happy about the gift. She will paint something for me. My girlfriend and I plan our future. We talk about our dreams together. She wants to open a business. I want to be a teacher. We support each other's dreams always. Supporting each other is very important. We will work hard for success. Maybe we will get married someday. But we are young right now. We have plenty of time ahead. Sometimes my girlfriend feels sad. I try to make her happy. I buy her favorite flowers. She loves red roses the most. I tell her funny jokes. She laughs and feels better. We hug each other tightly. Hugs make everything feel better. I am always here for her. She is always there for me. My girlfriend's family is very important. She has one brother and sister. Her brother is older than her. Her sister is younger than her. They all live in the city. She visits her family every month. Sometimes I go with her there. Her family treats me very well. They invite me for lunch often. I feel welcome in their home. We don't fight very often, but sometimes we have small arguments. All couples argue sometimes. It is completely normal and okay. We talk about our problems calmly. Talking helps us understand each other. We say sorry when we're wrong. Saying sorry is not always easy, but it is the right thing. After talking, we feel better again. My girlfriend is learning to drive now. She takes driving lessons every Saturday morning. Driving is difficult for her right now, but she is getting better each week. I believe she will pass the test. I encourage her to keep practicing. She will get her license very soon. Then we can drive places together. We will take road trips on weekends. I am excited about that plan. What gift will you buy your girlfriend? My girlfriend's birthday is coming next month. I am planning a special surprise party. I invited all her close friends already. I ordered a beautiful chocolate cake. Chocolate is her favorite flavor always. I also bought her a nice necklace. The necklace has a small heart pendant. I hope she will love all of it. Making her happy makes me happy too. My girlfriend and I are best friends. We share everything with each other. We tell each other our secrets. We trust each other completely. Trust is the most important thing. I am lucky to have her. She says she is lucky too. We make each other better people. I love her very much. She is my perfect girlfriend. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.